Ray Dalio, the now legendary investor, who manages $150 billion, has officially stepped down as Chief Investment Officer of Bridgewater Fund from his 47-year responsibilities to the next generation. Bloomberg reported that Dalio's resignation also came at the right time, with Pure Alpha Strategy is achieving a 34.6% performance in 2022. Dalio, who has long held that cash is trash, has always attracted the attention of the cryptocurrency circle. Since the end of 2020, he has begun to agree that Bitcoin is similar to gold, and continues to be bearish on bonds and gold. Let's look back on the path how he from a skeptic to a believer of Bitcoin. In September 2017, when the price of Bitcoin was at $3,924. In an exclusive interview with CNBC in the United States, Dalio said,
Bitcoin is a bubble. When you take Bitcoin, there are other cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin might lose competition to another cryptocurrency, and so is it a cryptocurrency bet that we're making, or is it a Bitcoin bet? It's very much speculative people thinking, can I sell it at a higher price? And so it's a bubble.
In November 2020, when the price of Bitcoin was at $14,833. For the crypto community, this is a more controversial speech. Dalio threw out the Bitcoin hunting theory in an exclusive interview with Yahoo Finance, arguing that even if Bitcoin adoption reaches a certain
becomes material, governments won't allow it. I mean, they'll outlaw it, and they'll use whatever teeth they have to enforce that. They would say, okay, you can't transact in Bitcoin, you can't have a Bitcoin. So then you have to sort of be almost like, is it a felony? And I'm going to have to be a felon in order to transact.
This triggered a rebuttal from the crypto community. Moon Capital compared the 1933 gold ban, pointing out that the government had failed to ban drugs, weapons, alcohol, and even gold. In December 2020, when the price of Bitcoin was at $18,553. Dalio hosts an AMA on Reddit and softens his criticism of Bitcoin. Bitcoin and digital currencies have established themselves over the past few decades as interesting alternative assets like gold, with similarities and differences to gold and real estate place. Therefore, Bitcoin can be used as one other than gold for other diversification investments, but he prefers an asset that the central bank will also hold and trade. Additionally, Dalio tweeted on November 18 of the same year that there may be some misunderstanding in his comments about Bitcoin and that he would be happy to be corrected. In January 2021, when the price of Bitcoin was at $33,466. This is a time for Dalio to change his mind about Bitcoin. In his special article Our Thoughts on Bitcoin, he pointed out that the rapid popularization of Bitcoin within a decade is a remarkable achievement, just like the creation of an existing, credit-based monetary system. He believes that Bitcoin may break out of the highly speculative category in the future. It seems to be a long-term target in a highly uncertain future. Even if it falls by 80%, he is willing to invest a small amount of money in it. He also made several observations, predicting that there may be better altcoins to replace Bitcoin, and there is uncertainty about the advantages of limited supply, if BlackBerries are limited but still replaced by more advanced opponents. In Dalio's resignation speech on Twitter, Dalio also mentioned the change in cash due to macroeconomic changes. As economist Keynes said, when things change, I will change my mind, and I will change my mind, not consider cash trash again. Given its current interest rates and the Fed's continued shrinking of its balance sheet, cash is almost a neutral asset. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching.